Hello YouTube, it's Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Today I have a challenge. I've got to get the pulley off of a power steering pump. If you've never done that before, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So this is the power steering pump that I'm working with. This is off of a 1979 Ford F-250. This particular pump or style of pump is on a lot of different makes and models from the 70s, 80s, etc. I've got to get behind the pulley to replace the seal because it's been leaking. You need a special puller tool in order to remove this pulley. I'll show you that. There's a link down below to an even better tool than I bought. I got mine from O'Reilly's. It was like $31. And on Amazon I found one for like $17. But I was in a bind and I wanted to get this done today, so I went to O'Reilly's and just picked up that puller. Let's get this pulley off, see what we can do. As you can see, this is rusted pretty bad. So I've got it soaking with some penetrating oil, penetrating lubricant. You can use anything that you'd like for that. I prefer AIM penetrating lubricant from Planet Safe Lubricants. This is not sponsored. I just love this stuff and I use it on anything that's rusted and needs to move, needs to come apart, that sort of thing. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Also linked down below. That's what we're up against. It's pressed on and you can't get like the three-pronged, the claw pullers. They'll just slip off of that. So you need a specialty tool, and I'm going to show you the specialty tool right now. So this is the puller that I got from O'Reilly's. It's W87020. If you're in a bind and need something quick, that's the part number to be able to pull that off. I'm assuming that you're probably watching this either because you're already subscribed to me or you're in a bind like I am and need this done right away. So let's get this thing open. Put the blade down before I hurt somebody. And here's why you need a specialty tool. This little cup-shaped two-piece thingy will go around that and hold on to the little lip. And then once you have it around it, you put this around there and it holds the clamshells together. So that goes in like so. This would go around that. I still need to put in the actual driver for it so that we can pull it out. So let me get this put all together and then we'll take a closer look at what it takes to get this thing moving. So that's what it looks like when it's all together. Those two clamshell pieces, the cutouts on either end are, well, they need to be the same direction. And the smaller one needs to be towards the pulley. Let me grab wrenches and we'll get moving on this thing, see if we can make it move. So the size I'm using is a 13/16 for the inside and a 5/8 I believe this is. Yep, 5/8 for the drive shaft. So let's just get driving on this and see if we can make it budge. Boom! And that is how you remove it. And also how your arm cramps up from using a manual wrench. Holy crap. And I'm also going to clean it up. I'm going to pull off the mounting bracket, paint it, and all those things because we're doing a new install. So this has been a really quick DIY how to remove a pulley from a power steering pump from Troy with DIY Home and Auto. If you like this video, if you feel like I deserved it, please give me a thumbs up. So please like, share, subscribe, do all those things. Love you guys, appreciate it. Working on some really cool stuff, so you'll want to subscribe. Be sure and ring that bell so that you get notified of the new videos that are coming up. We're going to be putting this back in the 79 Ford along with that motor that I showed you. Those are coming up very soon. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.